Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and disconnecting power. This prevents shorts. Once done, open the case with the correct screwdriver and use an ESD strap to ground yourself. You're looking for the reset switch and its PCB pads or header. Inspect the board silkscreen and any service manual notes to confirm the component. If the button sits under a board, gently remove standoffs to access it. Make sure to take a clear photo before touching anything so you can restore original wiring if needed. You'll now confirm how the reset line behaves by probing it with a multimeter. Check continuity to ground and to the CPU reset pin. Once identified, either remove the mechanical switch or solder a jumper across the pads to bypass it. Alternatively, install a resistor that holds the line in the inactive state, typically a 10K Omega pull-up or pull-down as appropriate. While soldering, make sure to use minimal heat and verify the connection. Recheck the line's voltage to ensure the device won't reset unexpectedly. You reassemble the unit and reconnect power, then power it on to verify normal operation. Watch boot LEDs and listen for drives or fans. If the device fails to boot or behaves oddly, immediately power down, consult your pre-change photos, and reverse the modification. Once stable, secure any exposed pads with conformal coating or tape to prevent shorts. If you still see sporadic resets, check for incorrect resistor values or solder bridges. Use serial console or logs to pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.